Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss that is retirement chapters 2 marks questions. Okay. So first one is, why is retiring partner entitled to share of goodwill of the firm? Okay. ಈಗ question ಇದು meaning is what ಅಂದ್ರೆ, when a person retires, why goodwill amount has to be given to him? ಓಕೆ, ಒನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಅರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಫರ್ಮ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಈವನ್ ದ ರಿಟೈರಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಟು ಅರ್ನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅನ್ಫೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅವ್ನ ಶೇರ್ ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು. Yes, so the goodwill what is earned by the firm. Goodwill is an intangible asset. It is like good name. Okay, now we say Reliance, Big Bazaar, it is very good. So that itself is goodwill, good reputation. So that good name, that goodwill is earned by the firm with the efforts of all the existing partners. All, for example, A, B, C, 3 partners. All 3 have worked hard to get the good name, to get goodwill. That is why the retiring partner has to be given the share of goodwill. Okay? Yes. Now, next one, very important, mostly asked for the exam, that is hidden goodwill. What do you mean by hidden goodwill? Okay, so what is hidden goodwill? If the firm has agreed to settle the retiring partner account by paying him lump sum amount, then the amount paid to him in excess of what is the due to him based on the balance of his capital account after making necessary adjustment. Okay, now this will look little complicated, but one simple example ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಿಡನ್ ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ, ಹಿಡನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಡನ್ ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಓಕೆ, ದೇರ್ ವೇರ್ 3 persons ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಯು, ಯೋರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೀ. ಓಕೆ, 3 people we had started a business and I am retiring now. Okay, I am retiring. So now you are settling all the accounts, necessary adjustments you are doing. Like you are, that is profit and loss account, revaluation account of assets and liabilities, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಗೆಟ್, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಈಗ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಟೈರಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ವಿ ಆಲ್ 3 ಡಿಡ್ ದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಟೈರಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ 20,000 rupees I should get. Okay, that is as per my due. Amount paid to him actually will be 20,000. But you both are deciding to pay me 25,000. Okay, see, actually I should get how much? 20,000. But you both partners are deciding to pay me 25,000. So how much extra you are giving me? Yes, you are giving me 5,000 extra. That 5,000 itself is hidden goodwill. Actually, I have to get 20,000, but you all partners are deciding to give me 25,000. For 5,000 extra you are giving me. So our 5,000 itself is hidden goodwill. You are understanding that point? ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, that is, if I am retiring, partners, you all both have decided, actually as per the adjustment, all the calculation ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ I should get 20,000. But you all both decide, no, we will give you 25,000. So 5,000 is extra. That itself is hidden goodwill. Okay, so it is the excess of amount actually due, excess of amount paid. Okay, see here, if the firm has agreed to settle the retiring partner's account by paying a lump sum amount, okay, lump sum amount, then the amount paid to him in excess of what is due to him based on the balance of his capital account after making necessary adjustments. Okay, ಇದನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಟೈರಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರಿಗೆ ಲಂಪ್ ಸಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಪೇಯಿಂಗ್. Okay, that is 25,000 you decided to pay. But the amount paid to him in excess of what is due to him, that was actually 20,000. Okay, after making all the necessary adjustment. Andre, we 3 are partners. In that I am retiring. So, all necessary adjustments you are doing, profit and loss account, revaluation. Adralli, you all both partners feel that 20,000 I should get. Okay, but you all decide to give me 25,000. So 5,000 is extra. That 5,000 itself is hidden goodwill. Okay, yes. Now next one, why do a firm revalued its assets and liabilities on retirement? ಅಂದರೆ ವೈ ಅ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಫರ್ಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಆನ್ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ನಾವು 12 marks problems we have solved retirement. First account we solve is the revaluation account. Revaluation account ಅಲ್ಲಿ what we do, assets and liabilities value we see, isn't it? Increase ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ, ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ, PDF ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, all that we see. So why it is done? It's another question for 2 marks. So why? Because to ascertain net profit and net loss on revaluation to all the partners capital account in old ratio, isn't it? Yes, to find out why revaluation account, simple another ಅರ್ಥದಲ್ಲಿ revaluation account ಏಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, that is to find out net profit or net loss on revaluation, and that is given to all the partners capital account in old ratio including the retiring partner. Okay, you should write this. Answer is to ascertain andre to find out net profit and net loss on revaluation to all the partners capital account in old ratio including the retiring partner. Okay, yes. Now the question is 2 marks question. What are the 2 methods of payment of settlement of retiring partners capital account? ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಟೈರಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ, ಅವನ ಅಕೌಂಟನ್ನು ಹೌ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಸೆಟಲ್? ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 2 ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸೆಟಲ್. ಈಗ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಟೈರಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್, ಮೈ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಹೌ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಸೆಟಲ್? ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 2 ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ retiring partner is paid cash in full. Either ಆ 25,000 you have decided to give me, no, either ಆ 25,000 ನನಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ you can give me the amount, or another method is amount due to retiring partner is transferred to retiring partner loan account. You remember always in a partner's capital account we do that loan account. If one is retiring, ಆ partner's loan account ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೇವೆ. So either you can transfer it in his loan account or pay full in cash. So these are the 2 methods. This is one more 2 marks question, student. Okay, so the question will be 2 methods of payment on settlement of retiring partner's account. You should write retiring partner is paid cash in full. Another one, amount due to retiring partner is transferred to retiring partner loan account. Okay, yes. Now journal entries, very important, students. Always one exam ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, final exam ಗೆ. Okay, first is to for increase in assets. Give the journal entry for increase in assets. What will you write? Yes, remember revaluation account ಅಲ್ಲಿ assets increase ಆದರೆ where we are writing? Revaluation account, I will always told you, debit side all expense loss, credit side always income ಮತ್ತು gain. Credit side ಅಲ್ಲಿ you are writing always increase, gain, profit ಆಗಿದೆ credit side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. Okay, so how will you read? It's easy. I will just tell simple. Revaluation account, how you draw always here. Heading you give as revaluation account, isn't it? Okay, then just imagine this is debit side, this is credit side. Assets increase ಆದರೆ where you will write? Yes, you will write here, isn't it? So entry how you are going to read? That is assets account debtor to revaluation account. Yes, that is buy assets you are writing, no, or buy machinery, buy furniture. So journal entry is assets account debtor to revaluation account. See, this question can also be asked. Write the journal entry for increase in machinery. So the entry will be machinery account debtor to revaluation account. Why machinery account debtor? Because always increase ಆಗಿದ್ದು we are writing in the credit side here. Yes, so assets account debtor to revaluation account. Okay, yes. Now next one, for decrease in assets. One more, students, I want to tell. So journal entry exam ನೀವು ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, assets account debtor to revaluation account. But don't forget to write here one imaginary amount. 3 stars you have to put here, and credit side ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 stars. I will just show here how to write it. Okay, now for decrease in assets, assets decrease ಆದಾಗ where we write? When assets decrease, yes, we will write in the debit side. Always revaluation account debit side ಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಿ. We write it here. See where I am showing debit side. We are writing here. So entry will be revaluation account debtor to assets account. Yes, assets decrease ಆದಾಗ or value of furniture decrease. So revaluation account debtor to furniture account. Value of machinery decreased. Revaluation account debtor to machinery account. So revaluation account debtor to assets account. See how you will write here for exam. Revaluation account debtor. You will put here 3 star. 3 star andre it is one amount imaginary. To assets account credit side alli. Here 3 star. Okay, that is always good to write like this. Okay, yes. Now, increase in liability. Liability increase ಆದಾಗ where you are going to write it? Yes. See, liability is like a loss. Liabilities has increased. ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಖರ್ಚು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ವೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಎಸ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್, ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಖರ್ಚುಗಳನ್ನು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಯು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಟರ್ ಟು liability account. You're going to write it like this, 3 star. Yes, draw neat line like this also, so it looks neat. Fine. Yes, so increase in liability. Liability increase andre ನಿಮ್ಮ ಖರ್ಚು has increased, your expenses has increased. So if your expenses increase andre you will definitely write in the debit side of revaluation account here. This is heading revaluation account. So revaluation account debtor to liability account. Okay, now the question comes. Yes, increase in PDF, that is provision for bad debts. So you're going to write revaluation account debtor to PDD. Yes, now decrease in liability. Your liability has decreased. Your liability, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಖರ್ಚುಗಳು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. So where you will write? Yes, definitely you're going to write in the credit side. Why? It is a gain. ನಿಮಗೆ gain, profit. The 12 marks problems all we have done, students. So this should be easy for you. Okay. Decrease in liability. Liabilities kadime agide. Andre you are going to write in the credit side. So entry will be, yes, liability account debtor to revaluation account. Same like this, you put 3 star here. You could put 3 star here. Yes. So decrease in liability. Once again, I will just show you. Now this is revaluation account. You have written here revaluation account. Okay. Liability is a ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಖರ್ಚುಗಳು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವಾಟ್? ಎಸ್, ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಟರ್ ಟು ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಎಸ್, ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಟರ್ ಟು ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಫಾರ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್? ಈಗ ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್, ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ profits will come in which side? Yes, we write it here to debit side alli bartade alva. To all partners capital account we give, to partners capital account debit side alli we write. So journal entry will be what? Yes, revaluation account debtor to all partners capital account. Yes, revaluation account debtor to all partners capital account. So you're going to write 3 star here, then here 3 star. 3 star andre it is one amount, imaginary amount. For distribution of on loss on revaluation, loss agide, where will you write? Yes, loss you will write in the credit side. Always the entry comes in the credit side. So all partners capital account debtor to revaluation account. Yes, all partners capital account debtor to revaluation account. See here. So write here 3 star and here 3 star. Yes, bracketally students, it is always better to write to all partners capital account you are writing. No, bracketally just write in old ratio, because we are giving this in old ratio alli kodteve. Here also in all partners capital account where you write bracket alli just old ratio anta bariri. This photo of this I will again send it in the group. Okay, this was just a slight explanation. Thank you students.